to request an individual to come on stage, someone who is an inspiration for every member, every individual who is connected with Arya Samaj. He talks Arya Samaj, he walks Arya Samaj, he breathes Arya Samaj. Actually, he is Arya Samaj personified. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a warm applause the one and only Dev Mahajan.
Respected Samni ji, Acharya ji, honored guests, dear friends and dear children, sabko meri prem bhari namaste. On behalf of the Managing Committee, it is indeed a great honor, pleasure and a privilege to welcome you all on the 20th anniversary celebration of Arya Samaj Greater Houston. About 21 years ago, 4 acres land was purchased which had in its neighborhood hodgepodge houses. Today, it is surrounded by a nice housing subdivision on the west side, a beautiful lake on the east side, and south side has plenty of land for us to expand. Now you can call Schiller Road as Mandir Road with the addition of 2 more temples. I recall very vividly that on the groundbreaking ceremony, February 297, the rain kept pouring every day during the month of January, except it stopped on Friday, January 31st. Don McIntyre, our good-hearted contractor, poured the foundation slab on Friday night for our yajna. Miraculously, sun with its bright sun rays appeared on the horizon Sunday morning for the planned Shilanyas Vidhi with Ekadash Kundi Yajna. This year, Texas has one of the worst years on record for the heat and drought. Yet God sent us few days back the cool front for our outdoor yajna. These and so many other such incidents have reconfirmed and deepened mine and my colleagues' faith that when your thoughts are pure and you are doing a noble deed, each will always come to your help. In July 1991, Rita and Sunil Mehta provided their building facility to Pitaji to conduct Sunday satsang twice a month. Today, Arya Samaj Greater Houston proudly owns a mandir, beautifully landscaped, a Yati Vataka, a school to house our DAV Sanskriti School and DAV Montessori School, specially designed for our needs, and 2 residence quarters for our 2 priests, and a guest house for our visitors. It was Pitaji's desire that Arya Samaj Library should be a big source of comparative studies for different religions. Today, this library has more than 5,000 books with the state-of-the-art documentation. Adult Vedic education classes are held weekly to teach Sanskrit, Upanishads and Gita. Periodically, health education and other useful seminars are conducted along with free twice-weekly yoga classes open to all. DAV Sanskriti School started with 6 students, now has more than 120 children with more than 25 volunteer teachers and administrators. DAV Sanskriti School has developed a very practical and well-planned curriculum based on teachers' actual experience. The success and enthusiasm shown by members of our Arya Youth Mandal and DAV fraternity is a very good indicator that the years of hard work of volunteer teachers and administrators led by our Acharya ji is really bearing fruits. Same way, DAV Montessori School, started with 6 children 11 years ago, has gone to the levels beyond our dreams. This school provides our very young children the best of the both worlds, excellent education and the best possible spiritual growth. This school is one of a kind in the whole nation. No wonder Indian parents are willing to bring their children from the far-off distances. The attendance close to 100 in this school has reached to the physical capacity of its building, and we had to put few children on the waiting list. The management committee is seriously considering expanding the building for the next school year so that no child is deprived of admission to this school. Maybe 6 is a very lucky number for us. Our managing committee of 6 members has grown to 20. We welcome everybody and anybody who's willing to serve in our team. I believe more dedicated and devoted members we could engage, more services we can provide. More than 50 or so volunteers working in various teams and committees are the heart and soul of our Samaj. First generation Hindu American continue to construct more temples. These temples are not only financially draining, but our children and their children are not participating. These temples are important to build, but at the same time, we must find ways to educate and showcase the importance of our Vedic Sanskriti, our unique heritage, and our regarded values to our younger generations. The good thing is that the younger generations are meeting, discussing, and contemplating about religion and life philosophy. It is just happening at other places. Recognizing this, Arya Samaj, in collaboration with youth organizations like Hindu Student Association, will be using the latest teaching techniques by incorporating an active social media campaign. The outreach campaign will range from creating video clips to making audio mantra recordings, from using Facebook to talk about Holi, and to LinkedIn to talk about Hindu concept of professional success. Couple of our managing committee members have already pledged their time and energy towards this project, and others projects like Save Energy, Save the Environment, and which are close to our younger generation hearts. Education and social services are the hallmark of Arya Samaj movement. Arya Samaj Greater Houston provided substantial financial support to Arya Samaj Gandhi Dham, which took a mammoth challenge to build. Jeevan Prabhat Gandhi Dham houses more than 165 orphan and widows of 2001 Gujarat earthquake. Same way, when Arya Preti Nadi Sabha took upon the task to build Jeevan Prabhat Pondicherry after the 2005 tsunami, Arya Samaj Greater Houston very proudly contributed $250,000 for the construction of the facility and provides about $35,000 yearly for the maintenance and education expenses of the 42 children. Members of our SMART very feel strongly that we have a moral duty to provide social services to the Houston community at large. Every year, during Diwali, we collect food for the food bank. Through Interfaith Ministry, our youth serve meals and meals to the seniors on Thanksgiving Day. Our library was the center of training for census trainees. During hurricane, we have offered our facilities for shelter. Vedic teachings appeal to head and heart both. They are holistic as they teach us to strike an optimum balance between material and spiritual progress. Recent progress in science and technology has led us to a materialistic lifestyle characterized by excessive consumption void of human values. Hence, this is the most opportune moment for the Vedic teaching to spread among people worldwide, particularly among intelligent and open-minded cross-section. For this reason, the Managing Committee of Arya Samaj Houston has decided to set up a Vedic Center of Excellence exclusively devoted to research and learning on Vedas, under the guidance of well-known Vedic scholar Dr. Harish Chandra. We were planning to kick off that project today. However, Dr. Harish Chandra postponed his move to Houston for a couple of years for personal reasons. Let me close by conveying my heartfelt thanks to all of you who are participating in the 3-day yajna and this evening's festivities. My sincere gratitude to all the various committee members and volunteers who planned this event and are working very hard to make this celebration a huge success. Thank you again, and may God bless you all.